This is how I use my Hoover Spin Sweep. I have a very long driveway in back and a maple tree that's constantly putting leaves and helicopters on it, and it'll be a lot of work for me to go and clean up. Right now it's not too bad, but just the litter all the time of all the stuff from the tree. So I just use spin sweep, and I have the added benefit that I have a border collie that needs to be entertained, so I can do two things at once. I can sweep leaves and entertain the dog. So here you can see we're about to pick up some leaves, and so sometimes you see there's missed that. It's not perfect, but it sure is easier than sweeping by hand. You just push it along. It's kind of fun to push. It's really kind of fun. And in my case, it's a great dog toy. All right, Jessie. Here's a close-up of the brushes moving. Takes things in like that.